Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Josh Jagoda. Today I want to talk a little bit about the Hypervolt and how to actually use it, because a lot of people actually have these nowadays, but the issue is that they're going too hard and you're not letting your body relax. So first things first, after we turn it on, what we want to first start doing is turning it on to the lowest setting. After you do that, guys, you want to use this device as a scanning device. So I'm going to use my arm real quick, just like this. And you're going to go back and forth. You're going to go up and down. You're going to go like side to side. And you're going to scan. Oh, there's a spot. There you feel one spot. So, for example, if we do it in the quad, you're going to go up and down. Maybe side to side. Maybe a little bit in circles to look for a spot. Okay? Once you find a spot. Okay? So once you find that spot, then that is where you are going to look for. So that spot might be at first, let's just say a 7 out of 10 in terms of tenderness. What I like to do is I like to percuss around that area first and work my way in, okay? So first you want to go really, really light, and you want to make sure that right now that you're not attacking it right away. After you do that, then you go over the spot and you hit it from different angles on a lighter setting. Okay, so when you do this, you should be able to go over and like look at how I'm holding the tool. I'm not pushing down. Now this motor is strong, and you may notice that it can carry a lot of pressure, but that's not what you're trying to do. You're not trying to add a lot of pressure. You're just trying to give your body enough to break down the spasm and to start improving your mobility and start getting healthier, right? If you do too much, it's over. You've done enough and you hurt yourself. So that's not the goal of these recovery tools. So once you find that hot spot, you'll go up and down. Ooh, that'll be a little tender. You'll go this direction, you go that direction. I like to work all directions if at first, and then find that area that is a little tender and hold it for a little bit like that. Once that is done, then what I like to do is I like to move on to different areas, find another spot if I can, and then what I will do is I will come back to that area a second round, and maybe what I'll do is I'll turn up the actual intensity on the actual machine to level 2 or 3, or I'll stay at that level 1 and I'll just kind of press in a little bit harder and get some depth. But overall, guys, a lot of people have this tool now, these Tim Tams, these Theraguns, and they're hitting themselves so hard that you're not allowing the nervous system to relax. And if you don't allow the nervous system to relax and the muscles and the body to recover, then you're going to do yourself more harm than good. So it's always better to start on the side of caution, go a little lighter, and then come back for a second or third round if you need to, because once you've done too much with regard to this, you can't undo it. But if you go less, you can always come back for a second or third round or hit it a little harder. But if you do too much, like I said, it's over and you've caused yourself more harm than good. And that's not really why they created these tools to begin with, and it's probably not why you bought this to begin with either. So guys, hopefully this helps you. Start using this tool. I highly recommend it because it is a great tool if used properly. Alright guys, I'm Dr. Josh Jagoda. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.